Ancient origins. The concept of using a toothbrush dates back to ancient civilizations. Early versions were made from sticks or twigs with frayed ends to clean teeth. The ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans are known to have used such primitive tooth cleaning tools. The modern toothbrush as we know it was invented in the 15th century in China. It had bristles made from the hairs of hogs, horses, or badgers attached to a bamboo or bone handle. The mass production of toothbrushes began in the 19th century with the use of synthetic bristles, which were more hygienic and effective than natural ones. Mass production made toothbrushes more widely accessible. In the 1930s, nylon became the preferred material for toothbrush bristles. Nylon bristles were more durable and consistent in texture, leading to improved toothbrush quality. The first electric toothbrush was developed in Switzerland in 1954. Electric toothbrushes use vibrating or rotating bristles to enhance cleaning and are especially helpful for people with certain oral health conditions. The American Dental Association, ADA, introduced its Seal of Acceptance program for dental products in 1931, including toothbrushes. Toothbrushes with the ADA seal have met specific criteria for safety and effectiveness. Toothbrushes come with various bristle types, including soft, medium, and hard. Dentists often recommend soft bristles to avoid damaging tooth enamel and gums. Toothbrushes are designed with different bristle patterns and head shapes. Some have angled bristles to reach difficult areas, while others have specially designed features for brushing braces or sensitive teeth. Dentists recommend replacing your toothbrush approximately every 3 months or sooner if the bristles are frayed. Worn-out bristles are less effective at cleaning teeth and gums. Many people are now opting for eco-friendly toothbrushes made from materials like bamboo, which is biodegradable and sustainable, as a way to reduce plastic waste.